haven't done a smoky eyeshadow look in a minute, and I think let's do something. Let's do something. First thing I'm gonna start with is eyeshadow first, and I'm gonna go in with my Essence Heart Stage eyeshadow base. I don't really swear by this product, but it's good. I like it. I like it. I'm just gonna prep and prime outside. So what I'm gonna do next is set my brows in place with the Essence while styling set, and just gonna spray a little bit of some setting spray on there. Just brush them up and let them dry and set in place. Then I'm gonna go in with my Essence the Brown Edition eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. It is super pigmented. It does the things. So far, Essence has been doing the things. So I'm gonna go in with this shade here in my crease, and then use my brow styling associate as a mirror, because I already did a mirror on taking off yet, so I still need to do that. Just gonna go with my Season shade in the crease. Side of camera. I change my brush into a more fluffier brush. Let's just do that to focus. And then I'm gonna go in with the darkest shade. It's like a plum, very pigmented. So be light-handed with this. I'm gonna start at the end and then just slightly bring that close to the end. With my Naked Urban Decay eyeshadow palette, and we're gonna go in with black. Use a smaller brush, much more denser brush to go in, and then kind of blend the inner corner and outer corner of my eyes. I'm gonna go in with my Wet n Wild Dewy Luminance foundation. I'm just gonna use that to clean up under my eyes and sharpen out the eyes before I go in with my eyelashes and do the rest of my face. Then I'm gonna use a flat angled brush. Gonna let that sit. Decide between which two lashes I want to wear. They're both from UQ, but I'm feeling I'm gonna go towards these heavier, these ones. Foundation, Wet and Wild. So I've seen that a lot of the girls have been starting around the face and then going in under the eyes, and I know that under the eyes are like very heavy and very bright, so it's full coverage and we're gonna do that. Usually most of the times I usually start under my eyes and do the rest of my face, but this time I'm doing it the other way around because I've seen quite a lot of other girls do this, and I'm excited to see how this actually turns out. I won't be going under my eyes because I want to leave that part so that it doesn't have too much product underneath, but definitely going on my neck because the shit needs to blend out anyway. So as you can see, I am not dragging, I'm dabbing. Or I'm doing both. I'm dabbing and dragging. I have not done full coverage in a minute. Trust the process. Go in with the brush and continue to blend out with my Oh So Dewy spray from Mr. Price Scarlet Hill collection, and I'm just gonna put this out of it and then dab. A lot of them do blush before concealing under the eyes, and sometimes concealing under the eyes and then blush, but I'm going to do the blush before concealing under the eyes, and this is a Dreamy collection also that I got from Clicks, and I really like this palette. The colors just work well for me. So I'm going to go in with the darkest pink, and let me go light hand. So I'm going to go in with another fluffy brush. We're just gonna kind of do that and then apply to the cheeks. So I haven't done my T-zone spots yet, but I want to like blend the heck out of this blush up. Bring it a bit up. Okay, it's looking a bit rosy enough. Now I'm going to go in with the highlight. I'm going to use this Passion Complex cover. This I got from Diskim, and it actually is full coverage, and I love this. It's very lightweight. It does the things that need to be done. I'm just going to put some at the back of my hands that I have control of it. And then on the flip side, we're going to do the under eyes now. And then T-zone. This is a lot of makeup compared to what I usually wear, and I'm stunned, to be honest. Really stunned. It's quite a lot of makeup. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 seconds before I continue to further blend. Yeah, trust the process. Really, I let it sit for 30 minutes. I usually don't blend under my eyes with a beauty blender, but I'm gonna do it with a brush. This is an angled fluffy brush, and it gets into the corners where I need it to get into. Girls, blending takes time, okay? You want to look good, you want to look seamless, you don't want to look like a crackhead, you don't want to look like a ghost. Take your time. Take your mother loving time. So for you, if anybody thinks that this is too light, it's not. This is literally my foundation shade. This is literally my highlight shade. If you can see, like on the inside of my palm, like it works, okay? Don't come for me, don't be amazed. Bear in mind, I still have to contour, but I think I'm just gonna do like a light bronzer instead of like a heavy contour that the American girls do. UK girls are bronzer babes, I think. Yeah, or bronzer babes. This is coming out looking nice. A light contour. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my Sorbet Bare Faced foundation. It's quite dark at first hand, but the more you blend, the lighter it gets, and that's what I love about it. Can you see what it looks like just when you get it and what it looks like when you blend further? So I'm gonna use very little just under my cheeks like that, and then I'm gonna go in with another brush and we're just gonna stroke upwards. We're just stroking upwards. I'm not bringing anything down. Go in with my blush brush. And then the little leftover product, I'm just gonna go in a little bit on the forehead, like that. It's starting to look nice. I like this. I like this. For the big girl thing, I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Powder just to brighten under my eyes, because that's what the girlies are doing. Say use the puff brush, but when you want to get under places that you can hardly reach, and because this puff brush is quite circle, I think this does the trick. Just gonna go in there and probably start from the middle. Oh, you can actually like see. This is giving very much UK girl vibes. It's a lot for me. It's quite a lot for me. But I like it. I like it. Focusing on the under eyes. What I'm not gonna neglect is the contour under my basically the setting under my blush, and I'm gonna go in with another banana powder, just to like chisel, but I like that chiseled look. Okay, I like it. It look like this before you brush everything off. And I'm going to take my fan brush and just fan the excess powder. Listen, this look is giving. I see why the girls be doing all of this. It's giving. With my Essence Keep It Perfect setting spray. My trick is to get your face extremely wet. Air dry it. I don't have a fan, so my hands better work. This is the completed look. I like it. It's a bit too much for me, but I really like this look. If you want to see more videos like this, please do let me know. Okay, I think it's cute. The girlies are doing the thing with this UK makeup, but I'm gonna stick to the classic American girl full face makeups because sometimes it can be lighter. But I like this. I really do like this. It's really different compared to what I'm used to, and it's sometimes really nice just to step out of the comfort zone. So I really like this.